Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post a job on Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. Once you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. Here, I've created my account as a job seeker and I'm already logged into it. Now, in order to post a job, I need to be logged in as an employer. So to do that, here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Next up, tap on My Jobs option. In this page, if you scroll down, here you can see the Employers option. Tap on it. Now you will find the Post a Job option. Select that. Here you can see Post a Job button. Tap on it. After you are in this page, again scroll down and here you can see Post a Job option. Tap on it. It will take you to the page where you can create your employer account. Now fill out the information below. And once you are done, tap on this continue button. Now in this page, you need to enter the basic details of the job you are posting. So you can go through all of these options and set according to your demands. So once you fill all of these informations, tap on continue. Here you need to provide further job details. After that, tap on continue. In this page, you can review your job post and make necessary changes. Once you're done setting all of these informations, you can review how it will look like. Once you're satisfied with all the details, you can tap on this confirm button. You can go through all of these as per your requirements and tap on continue. Now here you can select if you want to add sponsored jobs to boost your job vacancy postings. If you don't want to spend on ads, you can tap on this no thanks button. And there you go, you've successfully posted a job on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.